Hello students, welcome to the English class. In today's class, let us learn the poem Above Ben Adam written by the poet Leigh Hunt. Let us know about the poet Leigh Hunt. Leigh Hunt in full, James Henry Hunt. He was an English critic, an essayist, poet and a writer. He was born on October 19, 1784 in Southgate, Middlesex in England. He passed away on August 28, 1859 in Putney, London. Before we read the poem, let us know a few new words that you come across in this poem. Tribe means people. Lily is a kind of flower. Bloom is open or blossom. Exceeding means great. Rightest is right. This is the old form of English which means right. Thou is you. Vision, seeing someone or something. Accord, grant, agree or bring into harmony. Cheerly is cheerfully. Thee means you. Fellow man, another human being. Vanished is disappeared. Wakening light, light which rouses from sleep in active condition. Blessed means blessed. Low, a word used for calling attention. In this poem Above Ben Adam, the poet speaks about the divine love of God, how God blesses people who love each other, who show kindness to each other. You need to refer to page number 86 and 87 in your textbook for the poem reading, students. Above Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room. Now, this person above Ben Adam, may his tribe increase, that is, may the people who love each other, their tribe increase. One day, one deep night, he awoke from a dream of peace and saw within the moonlight in his room. He sees something in the brightness of the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Ben Adam bold, and to the presence in the room he said, What writest thou? The vision raised its head. So, the presence of that moonlight, it looked very rich and like a lily in bloom. How the lily flower blooms, it looked like that. And what does he see? An angel writing in a book of gold. Adam sees an angel sitting and writing in a book of gold. What was the angel using? The angel was using the book of gold to write something. And breaking up that peace, there was very silence, exceeding peace. The great peace had made Ben Adam bold. Now he made himself bold enough to ask. And to the presence in the room, he has said that vision, what was present in the room, the brightness, what was present in his room, he asks, What writest thou? What are you writing? Though is a old version of English where you express you. So what writest? Write. What are you writing? The vision raised its head. The vision, somebody was sitting there. It raises its head. And with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, The names of those who love the Lord. And is mine one? Said above. Nay, not so, replied the angel. Above spoke more low, but cheerly still, and said, I pray thee then, write me as one that loves his fellow men. So what does he do? When he asks that vision there, what are you writing? That vision raises its head and with a look made of all sweet accord, with all the kindness, it looks at Adam and says, I am writing the names of those who love the Lord. What am I making a list of? The list of names who love the Lord. And above Ben Adam asks, and is mine one? Is my name also there in that? No, not so. Your name is not yet entered in the list, replied the angel. Above spoke more low. Now what happened? Above wants to say, he wants to say something, but cheerfully, cheerily still, very cheerfully he says, I pray thee then, I also pray you, I also pray the Lord, says Adam. Adam says, write me as one that loves his fellow men. Write my name as one person who loves this fellow men, whom I love my neighbors, I love my people around me. The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great awakening light and showed the names whom love of God has blessed. And lo, Ben Adam's name led all the rest. Now, what happened? The angel wrote something and it vanished, disappeared from there. The next night it reappeared again. It came again with a great awakening light, that light which had brightened up the whole room. Then it comes there and showed the names whom love of God had blessed, and opens the book. In which book it had written? In the book of gold. It showed the names whom love of God had blessed, where God had blessed those people, and whose name was above all. It was Ben Adam's name above all the rest, because he loved his fellow men. He showed kindness towards each other. So the poem gives a message: one who loves each other, one who shows kindness to the people around themselves, God blesses those people.